Today, we are going to show you how to get started with your new Varia RearVUE 820 radar. For this video, you will need a bike, a Varia RearVUE 820, a compatible Edge cycling computer, a compatible Garmin smartwatch, a compatible smartphone or tablet, the mount for the radar, and the included USB-C cable. The mount includes 2 seat post bands, 2 D-shaped rubber pads, 1 aero seat post pad, and the mount base. First, we will show you how to charge your Varia RearVUE 820. Remove the cover. Plug one end of the USB-C cable into the back of the radar. Then, plug the other end into a computer or USB-C charging block. The light at the top of the Varia RearVUE 820 will turn solid green once charging is complete. The Varia RearVUE 820 can be paired to a compatible Edge cycling computer, a compatible Garmin smartwatch, and your compatible smartphone or tablet using the Varia app. We will start with a compatible Edge cycling computer. For this video, we will be using an Edge 1050, but this process is similar with other compatible Edge cycling computers. First, place the Varia RearVUE 820 into pairing mode. Press and hold the button for 4 seconds until the status LED starts flashing purple. We will use the same method when pairing to other compatible devices. Now, select the menu button on the Edge 1050. Then, select Sensors. Select Add Sensor. Select Search All. Select the Varia RearVUE 820 when it appears. The Varia RearVUE 820 is now successfully paired to the Edge 1050. Next, we will pair a compatible Garmin smartwatch to the Varia RearVUE 820. For this video, we will be using a compatible Venue X1, but the process is similar for other compatible Garmin smartwatches. First, place the Varia RearVUE 820 into pairing mode. Next, press and hold the Up button on your compatible Garmin smartwatch. This will bring up a menu. Scroll up and select the Settings icon. Scroll down and select Connectivity. Select Sensors and Accessories. Select Add New. Select Search All. Select the Varia RearVUE 820 when it appears. The Varia RearVUE 820 is now successfully paired to your compatible Garmin smartwatch. Lastly, we will be pairing the Varia RearVUE 820 to a compatible smartphone or tablet through the Varia app. For this video, we will be using a compatible Apple iPhone, but the process is similar for compatible Apple iPads and compatible Android smartphones or tablets. You will need to have the Varia app installed on your compatible smartphone. Place the Varia RearVUE 820 into pairing mode. Ensure it is near your compatible smartphone. Select Add Device. Select Connect It when the Varia app recognizes the Varia RearVUE 820 radar. Select Pair on the Bluetooth pairing request. Now, select Next. The Varia RearVUE 820 is now paired to your compatible smartphone or tablet. Now it is time to mount your Varia RearVUE 820. First, slot the extra rubber mount inside the existing one if you are using an aero seat post. Then, place the mount against the post. You can adjust the angle of your Varia RearVUE 820 using the degree angles on the inside of the mount. The Varia RearVUE 820 should be vertical to the ground and not at an angle. Use the appropriate rubber strap to hook around the 4 teeth on the mount. Lastly, place the Varia RearVUE 820 into the mount. It will click when locked in place. And that's it. You are now ready to ride. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.